I just really feel that food shouldn't be boring. I don't like boring. Keeping it fresh and keeping on the move is kind of my MO. Having local natural ingredients, having stuff that can nourish the body is the first thing. The fun comes from what the farmers produce and what they grow, between cattail, nine patch, white feather, meadow organics, where we get our burger meat from, which is awesome. It's great to see what they can grow and how we can transform it onto the plate. We have a CHAR broiler, which is, again, our name, CHAR. So we get a lot of our flavors from there between our grilled octopus or any of our fire grilled steaks. I really like to have every bite having different layers of flavor on the plate. I started with a Schofield culinary school. I really was taken to French techniques and how to put everything kind of through the French funnel, which is the godfather of cooking. I really took to how can we make it untraditional but approachable. Dishes that I really like and customers seem to like, first and foremost, is our salmon. We have some bacon that's in the saute, some big lardon bacon, a nice smokiness to it, but with the freshness and acidity from the butternut squash puree. Combined with that salmon, it just kind of melts in your mouth. Our Wagyu meatballs, it's got Drath Family Farms Wagyu, which is a farm here in Wisconsin. It's got Door County cherry glaze, black garlic breadcrumbs for a little umami bite. And then that goes all on top of cattail puree. It's got parsnip, celery root, so some nuttiness and some creaminess in there for sure. Wausau has a foodie scene that's kind of untapped and they really are craving more. I always try to push the envelope as much as I can and provide a new experience every time somebody walks in. Me and my fiance, we chose Central Wisconsin. She's from here, and now that I'm from here, it's really nice just to get to know the community and get to know the welcomeness that they have.